Equidae is the taxonomic family of horses. The wolf, also known as the gray wolf or gray wolf. A camel is an even-toed ungulate in the genus Camelus. Turtles are an order of reptiles known as Testudines. The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. The turkey is a large bird in the genus. The cheetah is a large cat native to Africa and central Iran. The tiger is the largest living cat species and a member of the genus Panthera. Cattle are large, domesticated, cloven-hooved, herbivores. Squirrels are members of the family Sciuridae, a family that includes small or medium-sized rodents. Crocodiles or true crocodiles are large semi-aquatic. Snakes are elongated, limbless, carnivorous reptiles of the suborder Serpentis. Corvus is a widely distributed genus of medium-sized to large birds in the family Corvidae. Sheep or domestic sheep are domesticated, ruminant mammals typically kept as livestock. The great round crane, also known as the African crown crane. Pinnipeds, commonly known as seals, are deer or true deer-hoofed ruminant mammals forming the family Cervidae. Gulls, or colloquially seagulls, are seabirds of the family Laridae in the suborder Lari. The dog or domestic dog is a domesticated descendant of the wolf. A rhinoceros, commonly abbreviated to rhino, is a member of any of the five. A dolphin is an aquatic mammal within the infraorder Cetacea. Rattus is a genus of muroid rodents, all typically called rats. The domestic donkey is a hoofed mammal in the family Equidae. Rabbits, also known as bunnies or bunny rabbits, are small mammals in the family Leporidae. Duck is the common name for numerous species of waterfowl in the family Onotidae. The pig, often called swine, hog, or domestic pig when distinguishing from other members of the genus Sus. Elephantidae is a family of large, herbivorous proboscidean mammals collectively called elephants. The Indian peafowl, also known as the common peafowl, and blue peafowl. Flamingos or flamingos A/FLMIOZ/ are a type of wading bird in the family. The giant panda, also known as the panda bear, is a bear species endemic to China. Foxes are small to medium-sized, omnivorous mammals belonging to several genera.
Hyena. Thank you.